Okay, hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian, welcome to English with Adrian, helping you increase your vocabulary, expand your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's have a look at making conversation. Oh, mm, mm. So, informal organizing words are words that can be used to change a topic of a conversation and get conversation going. So acknowledging other person. So for example, okay. Okay. Are you happy? Okay. Asking a question. Okay. Now what should we do? Okay. What's that all about? Okay. Why did you do that? What was that for? Indicating. We can use words that indicate a conclusion has been reached. So, when you've come to a decision. So, what we're going to do is this. So, I have this and one more video to record, then I have free time. So, I have the next few days off. What should we do? So, I don't want to go to the party. What should we do? Or, right before something important is going to be said, right. Right. I know what you're saying, but we should do this instead. Right, now listen. Look, we should do that. Right. I see your point. We're going to go there instead. Right. Listen. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do is this. We'll go to the party, go to the pub, go to the cinema. Definitely. So we can use okay, so, and right to start a conversation. Right. So. Okay. Yeah. But also, there's this thing about backchanneling. Let's look at this a little closer, shall we? Backchanneling is when you're listening to someone and you can say certain words to show that you are listening and paying attention. People will be talking and making their points as you may saw a few different things to acknowledge that you are listening. Yeah. So essentially, when someone's talking, we can say certain things to acknowledge that we're listening and paying attention. Yeah. Like, really? Really? I saw Jessica the other day. Really? Wow. 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 You won't believe what happened to me yesterday. I found £20 on the floor. Wow. Yeah, it was pretty cool. I never thought I'd see it. Wow. Wow. Or okay. 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 So I was going to the party tomorrow night. Okay. And then this thing happened. Oh, okay. But I don't know why it happened. Oh, okay. Really? Oh, weird. Or, uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Mm-hmm. So this thing happened yesterday. I was learning all about Chinese and Chinese culture and history. Yeah, yeah. But then I realised that in the Tang Dynasty, these things happened with the Great Wall. Back in like 1,000 years ago. Oh yeah. Yeah, but why it happened, I don't know. Okay. All right. Oh. All right. Okay. Yeah, but then, you hear about China, we don't know what's going on over there. Whole different world. Culture is completely different, like 5,000 years old. Oh, right. Yeah, of course. Of course. 5,000 years old. Of course. But then, I heard about Egypt. Egypt's pretty cool this time of the year. A lot of desert. Well, a lot of desert. A lot of sun and sand. Of course. Of course. Yeah, of course. But I thought also that she's very naughty, isn't she? Why is she not listening? Why is she not paying attention? If she misbehaves, I must punish her. Of course. Of course. Punish her. Of course. Okay. Right, so we can use those phrases to talk back to the person we're with, so that they know the conversation's still happening. And if you combine them with okay, so, and right, so we're going to do this. Okay, listen now. Right, so we'll go there. You can get conversation flowing a lot nicer. But then there are ways of stalling the sentences. Stalling. You're thinking. You don't know what to say, but you need something now, so you're going to delay the whole conversation. So stalling is when you are delaying the sentence and need more time before you can answer. So, well, I don't know about that. Yeah, maybe. Good question. Let's see. What do you think about going to Paris? Well, good question. Let's wait and see. Let's see. Then you have so. So. What do you think about going to Egypt? So it's hot, and it's very dry, and I mean, it's not going to be very fun. Don't like it. Nah, no thanks. But what do you think about going to Libya? Well, it's sort of dangerous. Now it's a bit. I'm not sure how to get there. Kind of difficult. I need to get a visa. Not sure how. It's going to be tedious. Yeah. I mean, sort of, now, kind of. We use these phrases to delay having to answer the question and stretch out the conversation. Otherwise, you're on the spot. Answer now. Whoa, you don't know what to say. You need time to think. Now, sort of, kind of. Let's see. I mean, stalling the conversation. Good question. Well, I'm not sure. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. So backchanneling, really? Wow. So they know you're listening. Different phrases to stall the sentences. Good question. I mean the questions, sort of. And okay, so right, I get what you mean now. So, what brings you here? Okay, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Right. What should we do now? I got one more video to create, and then what should we do? Cool. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speaking, well, like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.